Children, on page number 42, addition on number line is given. On this page, you will show addition on number line. So, in this question, 3 plus 4, you will show this addition on this number line. This is the number line. This line will always start from 0. Okay, so the first digit is 3. So we will start counting from 1, 2, 3. So the first digit is 3. So we will put a dot on 3. And we will make a curve which will start from 0 and it will reach up to 3. Like this. And the second digit is 4. So now we will start counting 4 more numbers which will start after this number. Okay. So now start 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a dot on this number. This number is 7. So now all of you make one more curve which will start from 3 because the first curve will end on 3. So the next curve will start from 3 and it will reach up to 7. Okay. So the addition of 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. Like this you will get the answer. Now like this you will do the next question. The first digit is 6. The first digit is 6. So start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this line will start from 0 and make a curve up to 6. And the second digit is 2. So after leaving this digit, you will count 2 more numbers, 1, 2 and put a dot on this number. This number is 8. So make one more curve which will start from 6 and reach up to 8. Okay, and the answer is sum of all these numbers, that is 8. So here you will write 8 and this is the answer. Like this you can do these two questions also. On page number 43, page number 43, addition of tens is given. Children, in every number, the last digit is at ones place and the second digit is at tens place. So for ones place we write O and for tens place we write T. Okay, suppose we will take the number 10. So how all of you will write 10? You always write 10 like this. In 10, 0 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. Okay, so in 10, 1 10 and 0 1 is there. Okay, suppose we will take 40. That is, there are in 40. How all of you will write 40? Like this. Okay, in 40, 0 is at ones place. Okay, and 4 is at tens place. So if we will add these two, so 0 will plus with 0 will add with 0 and 1 will add with 4. Now in this exercise, see, 10 will add with 30. So all the 0 is at ones place and 1 and 3 is at tens place. Now how all of you will count? For 0 we will not draw any line and for 1 we will draw one line, and for 3 we will draw 1, 2 and 3 line. Now add all these numbers. 0 will add with 0. There is not any line, so we will write here 0. 0 will add with 0 and we will get 0. And now we will add all these lines 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum of all these lines are 4. So if we will add 10 with 30, we will get 40. So like this, you will do the next question. For 0, we will not draw any line, and for 2, we will draw 2 lines. And for this 2, we will again draw 2 lines. 0 plus 0, we will get 0. Okay, there are not any lines, so we will write here 0. And the sum of all these lines 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum of all these lines are 4. So again we will get 40. Okay, like this. One more question we will do. 0 with add with 0 and we will get 0. And for 2 we will draw 2 lines, and for 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one more 6. So now add all these lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will write here 8. Okay, so like this you will add all these questions. Now turn over the page, and on page number 44, see, addition of 2 digits numbers. So how all of you will do? See, here 56 will add with 23. Okay, so for 6, you will draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for 3, you will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And now add all these lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You will write here 9. And for adding 5 and 2, we will again draw 5 lines on the left side of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for 2, we will draw 2 lines and add all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write here 7. The sum of 56 and 23, we will get 79. Okay, like this you can do the next question. For 1, you will draw 1 line, and for 5, we will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for 2, we will draw 2 lines here, and for 6, we will draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now add all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write here 6, and for this we will add all these lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay children, we always draw these lines to simplify this question. Okay, we will add these two numbers together and these two numbers together, and we will get the result, we will get the answer. Like this children, you will do all these questions. Children, this is your maths copy. So now all of you are going to learn how to do addition in copy. See, this is your margin line. So all of you write today's date in the margin line like this. And now we will write heading. The heading is addition. A, D, D, I, T, I, O, N. Addition like this. And here we will write CW, that means classwork. Okay, and like this you will write some questions in your copy. See how all of you will write. After this heading line, you will leave one line, and after this margin line, you will leave two lines. Okay, then you will get this block, and here you will write 2, and after that, without leaving any line, you will write 4 below this 2. Okay, and this is the symbol of addition. So all of you will write like this, and then 2 lines for answer. Okay, like this. You can see I wrote few sums here. So you can see and write like this in your copy, and how all of you will do. As you have learned, you have already practiced in your book, so like that you will do in copy also. For 2, you will draw 2 lines. You know very well that we are doing addition with the help of these lines. Okay, so you will draw 2 lines for this 2, and for 4 you will draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now all of you count all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 6, like this. See children, you will write 6 in this line only, in after this 4 only. Okay, don't write here. This is the place of tens, not for ones. This is a 1-digit answer, so you will write below this 4 only. Okay, so now in second question we will add 5 and 1. So for 5 we will draw 5 lines, and for 1 we will draw 1 line. Okay, and now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again we will get 6. Now see, in the third question it is different from this. So here we will add 0 and 3. So for 0 we will not draw any line. Okay, and for 3 we will draw 3 lines. And how many lines we are getting? 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 3. Now see, in the next question, we will add 6 and 4. So all of you draw once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, and for 4 you will draw 4 lines. Now add all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are getting 2-digit numbers. So we will write 10. 1 and 0. 0 is at ones place, so we will write at ones place, and 1 is for tens place. We will write here at tens place. Okay, it is already you have learnt in your book, so you will write like this only. Now do one more question. For 7 we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines, and for 5 we will draw 5 lines. So now count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now again we are getting 2-digit numbers. So again we will write 2 at ones place and 1 at tens place. Now see, in this sum you will add 2 and 0. Okay, so here also you will draw 2 lines for 2, and for 0 we will not draw any line. And now see how many lines you are getting? Only 2. So the answer will be 2, like this. So like this children, you will write addition in your copy. Thank you.